this demonstration, we are going to show off the marketing features built into Kennel Booker. To access the marketing feature, click on the marketing link in the left-hand menu. When the page loads, you will have two system-generated entries. The first of which will let you email the customers with bookings for the current day. The second will let you email any customers with future bookings. The system lets you create a cohort of customers based on some criteria. To create a new cohort, click on the Create Marketing List button. From here, we can add in a name for this segment. For this segment, we are going to create a list of boarding customers who've booked within the last 30 days. Once we have entered in the segment name, we are then going to choose the service from the drop-down list. We are then going to choose Have from the following drop-down list, and then the number of days from this drop-down list. Once we create this segment, it'll create a list of any customers who have used boarding services within the last 30 days. You can now click into the newly created segment to view any customers that match that criteria. From here, we can see we have one customer account. We can now generate an email, or optionally, if you use our SMS integration, you can create an SMS message to send to that customer. For each of the entries shown on the list, you can choose not to contact that customer by clicking on the toggle button under the contact column. To compose an email, click on the green button. From the following screen, you can type in a subject for the email and a message body. Once you've typed in the subject and the message body, you can then preview the email before it's sent to customers. To do this, click on the green Preview Email button. If you are happy with the email you're about to send, click on the green button. If you need to make changes to the email before it's sent, click on the back button. Once you click Send, the system will generate all of the emails. These emails are sent every 15 minutes by the system.